In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a gift card in the Shein app. If you want to send someone a simple, practical gift they can use directly on Shein, the app makes the process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the gift card section, how to choose the right option, and what to watch for before you complete your purchase. To begin, open the Shein app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap the Me section, which is usually where your account and personal settings are located. From there, look for the gift cards option and open it. If you don't immediately see it, don't worry. You can also use the app's search bar and type in gift card to find the same section more quickly. This is helpful if the app layout looks a little different on your device or after an update. Once you're in the gift card area, take a moment to browse the available card designs. Shein usually gives you a few visual styles to choose from, so you can pick one that feels appropriate for the occasion. After that, select the amount you want to load onto the gift card. Make sure you choose a value that matches your budget and the kind of gift you want to send. It's worth paying attention here because in many cases, higher value gift cards on Shein may come with built-in percentage discounts off the face value. That means you could end up getting a little more value for your money, so it's a good idea to compare the available amounts before moving on. Next, enter the recipient's email address carefully. Since the gift card will be sent digitally, accuracy matters here. Double check the spelling so it reaches the right person without delays. You'll also have the option to add a personal message. This is a nice touch if you want the gift to feel a bit more thoughtful and complete, even though it's digital. Keep your message clear and friendly, especially if you're sending it for a birthday, holiday, or special occasion. When everything looks good, proceed to checkout. Review the gift card design, the selected amount, the recipient's email, and your message one last time before you pay. This final check can help you avoid simple mistakes and make sure the gift is delivered exactly as intended. And that's it. Once the purchase is completed, your Shein gift card order will be processed through the app. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have a quick, convenient digital gift ready to send.